Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can join a club on chess.com, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm logged into my account and I'm on the main page of chess.com, and I'm going to be navigating to the clubs page from here. What you need to do is take your mouse and hover over the social tab, and as you can see, the clubs tab is one of the tabs that you have available. Click on clubs and then you'll see an overview of your recommended clubs. You can sort by recently visited or recommended, and you can sort by whichever countries you want. And then all you have to do is find a club you want to join, for example this one, then click join, and then you'll have to type out a message. Well, in some cases you'll need to type out a message. In this case, I just joined this club, which I will promptly leave since I'm not active on this account. I use it only for tutorials, but I'm not sure on how I can leave this club. I'll figure it out later. But yeah, you can also go and join certain clubs. For example, this one, if I click join, then you'll need to add a message for the club, and that is most likely an application which the administrators need to overview and actually let you in. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.